Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we will learn vegetables, pumpkin, gourd, pointed gourd, ivy gourd, cabbage, red cabbage, purple cabbage, turnip, celery, sponge gourd, snake gourd, carrot, beet, potato, tomato, radish, daikon, bitter gourd, spiny gourd, cauliflower, purple cauliflower, onion, shallot, broccoli, green jack, green cauliflower, orange cauliflower, garlic, ginger, asparagus, drumsticks, brinjal, fennel, yam, elephant yam, zucchini, cucumber, lima bean, laplam bean, green bean, pea, lady's finger, marrow, artichoke, fava bean, chicory, andouille, Brussels sprout, bok choy, squash, butter and scratch, cassava, turmeric, yam bean, sweet potato, red curry squash, lotus root, celery, parsnip, green chili, red chili, celery, cardinal leaves, lettuce, watercress, greens, arugula, capsicum, sweet chili, colocasia, chard, rhubarb, chickweed, garlic, spinach, leek, Malabar Spanish, water cauliflower, lettuce, watercress, heart of plum. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Like, share and subscribe.